Welcome back, everybody. I wonder if you can guess which job I am on. Been wanting to show this one for quite some time. We're back at the barn, so let's have a run through of what we've done. Any furniture that you see is all bespoke. It's been made by the owner of the property. So if you see anything you like, let me know and we'll put the details on. So here we're fed off a sub main from the stables just next door. And we've gone for the fuse box double stacker consumer unit. And the reason why we've done that is on the top row, we've got all the renewables. So we've got air source heat pump in here at the moment. We're about to do a car charge and we're about to do solar as well with battery storage. So we've got the spare ways ready to go there. We've got the generation meter. And then on the bottom is the usual hob, cooker, kitchen sockets, downstairs sockets, upstairs lights, smokes, etc. All those kind of bits and pieces. So yeah, the fuse box double stacker works really nicely when you want to keep your renewables separate. So this is the utility room. A few appliances hiding, got a washing machine in there. Now you'll notice as you go around the property, everything is the black nickel, and that's Click Deco range. And then when we go to the heating, we run the Heat Miser, and they are the black ones as well, so everything ties in quite nicely. So here we're coming into the downstairs bathroom. On the ceiling, we've got 4 spotlights, and all the spotlights in the property are the Collingwood range. We've got an EnviroVent as well, just over there. These are quite nice as well, these mirrors. And if you hold your hand against them, you'll notice it changes the colour, so you can change the colour, and when you pull your hand away, it'll stay there. And then come back on at that colour, so that's a really nice touch as well in the bathroom. Great sized bathroom as well, love it. I have used the shower a couple of times, it's nice. And then here we come into the main room. So as I said earlier, all the furniture that you see is bespoke. That's been handmade by the owner of the property. And again, we've got a couple of sockets in either end of the island. We've got those there. Got some really nice lighting going on in the kitchen, and we'll be able to show you a bit more later on when we go upstairs onto the mezzanine. We've got these nice 2 island lights hanging down there on the braided cord. And then in this cupboard, there's a few little bits in this cupboard. So there's a few plug sockets. What we've done with this one is we put this on the kinetic switch. That just brings them on and off. So they're on kinetic switches, and they are the Energy range. So we've got a strip light LED underneath here. That's all routed in, so it's a lovely, clean, smooth finish. And then the same up top. Got the appliances, and then here obviously your standard fridge and freezer. They're all up there. Good size. And then I get round to the switches, we'll come back to them later. And then these ones, you'll notice now as we pan round into the dining room, or the lounge, the snug, the lamps are on a light switch. So we've done it a bit like the old-fashioned way, really. You may remember years ago, we used to just put a plug in. So we'll make our way upstairs now. Nice sized telly there on the wall. Again, just want to point this out. There's another bespoke piece of furniture in the property. Solid oak staircase. And this is really nice. Been made out of the rebars that you put the concrete in to support them. So that's a nice feature. So this is the main bedroom, the master bedroom. Got a really nice ceiling light. And again, big drop because there's still the big ceilings up here with the beautiful woodwork on show. And just a couple of little things just in the master bedroom. We've gone for the lamp sockets again. So as you come to the bedside, either side of the bed, you can flick the wall lights and the lamps. That's how the customers asked for it. So they're on there either side. This switch does the main light and the lamps as well. So they're 2-wayed from there. And that one section is an intermediate. And then attached to the master bedroom is a lovely walk-in wardrobe area. Again, just a couple of spotlights And then all the clothes set out, loads of room. And now back onto the main landing, looking down the staircase again. So nice, that staircase, really nice. Whoever pointed out the eco smoke alarms, yeah, that's the house system that we're running. It's tied into the sprinkler system as well. You may have spotted the sprinklers on the ceiling there. And then a master bathroom. Again, 4 spots on the ceiling, inline fan, and the same mirror fitting that we had downstairs. That one there. Yeah, lovely bath, nice taps, and then a shaver point just around the corner there that's going to get built into a cupboard. Nice colour on the radiator as well. Some really nice touches in this property. And again, a lovely beam still left on show within the bathroom. And then this is the spare bedroom that we're coming into now. Absolutely beautiful outlook onto the mezzanine. Looks like the dog likes this spot as well. So yeah, as we come into the spare room, just have a look at this beautiful view from the mezzanine. And then on the top of these purlins, as we mentioned earlier on, is the LED strip lights. If you're interested in this fire, it's made by Chili Penguin. It's a manufacturer. You may have spotted here in the kitchen as well, the cooker tap. Instant hot water for a nice coffee or a brew. The appliances in the kitchen are all AEG. Induction hob with a downdraft fan, nice and powerful. A microwave on the top here. Oven, and then in that one, currently on, but is the dishwasher. Well, that's the end of the barn second fix. Hope you enjoyed watching it. We've got a few things still to come at this property, with the outside works being completed at a later date, so look forward to showing you that. If you'd like any information on the products that we've shown or anything that we've displayed, then please contact us. Welcome back to Kaplan Electrical. We are on a barn conversion. Been really looking forward to it. The 25mm 3-core SWA, that's in place